Good morning. We have identified L&T Infotech as pick of the week for this week. L&T Infotech is a global technology consulting and digital solutions company with presence across 25 software development centers and 49 sales office. LTI offers an extensive range of IT services to its clients in diverse industries such as BFSI, manufacturing, energy and utilities, consumer packaged goods, retail and pharma, high-tech and media and entertainment, etc. LTI posted strong broad-based growth across verticals, mainly driven by healthy deal pipeline and ramp-up in large deals. The growth has been led by verticals like manufacturing, which gave 15% QoQ growth, BFS, which gave approximately 11% QoQ growth, high-tech and media approximately 9% QoQ growth, CPG, retail and pharma gave approximately 5% QoQ growth, and energy and utilities approximately 1% QoQ growth. Management is confident of gaining growth momentum post Q3 FY20, aided by ramp up in large deals announced earlier and uptick in top account. Robust deal wins has started gaining traction. LTI has signed 3 large deals with TCV of approximately $75 million in third quarter of FY20, taking the total new net deal wins for 9 months to upwards of $350 million. Management indicated that client IT spends in North American region continues to grow and will not be adversely impacted by US elections. The management also indicated that large deal wins which started gaining traction during last quarter will help the company gain growth momentum in future. Management indicated that the margins have been directionally positive and they would continue to make investments in new technology and sales for future. LTI witnessed improvement in quality of hiring in India, and localization efforts are being potential margin headwinds. We hence recommend a buy on LTI with the target price of rupees 21540. Thank you.